In our next experiment, what we are going to learn is that heat causes substances to expand and cold causes it to contract. So shall we begin? For this experiment, you will need a plate, two plates actually. You will need two flat plates, a plastic bottle, and you will need hot water and cold water. You will also need a balloon. So shall we begin? I will first begin by taking the two plates and pouring hot water in one plate and cold water in the other. Be very careful when handling the hot water. So I have poured hot water in the first plate. And cold water in the second. The next step is to take your balloon and put the mouth of the balloon over the mouth of the bottle. So now I will place the bottle over these plates. Let us see what happens in hot water. Can you see the bubbles there? The balloon is getting inflated, not too much but slightly, right? Can you see it rising? So, do you see the air trapped inside? Why does this happen? This is because the heat causes it to expand. Can you see how it is slowly getting inflated? Now, for the second part, I am placing the same bottle in cold water. And what happens? There is no reaction. So there is no movement, there is no air trapped, it is empty. Why is this? This is because heat causes the substances to expand, whereas cold doesn't do that. That is why there was no reaction. However, when you place it in the hot water, can you see? It has expanded, right? It won't be very much because we have little water and our bottle is quite tall. So by the time it travels, it gets a little cold. That is why we see a very little air trapped inside. So I hope now you understood the difference between heat and cold, how they react. So heat causes the air molecules to expand and cold causes it to contract.